Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this 3D cube animation in After Effects. We are going to see how I came up with the idea, building the cube from scratch, animation, and adding those crispy final touches to make it really pop. And the best part, I'm giving away this project file completely for free. The link is gonna be down in the description below. I found that cube idea while I was watching Nicola's video, and it came up to this scene.
Fail. And fail again. And again. And once again. Until I felt like I
After
knew
that,
what I was
I went to Pinterest and searched for 3D cube animation. That's where I found the color I will be using and that cool 3D rotation concept. So, first of all, we're gonna create new composition. We can just follow my settings here, then hit OK. After that, we're gonna create new shape layer. Select the rectangle tool here, and I'm gonna change the fill color to white and the stroke color to black, and I'm gonna give the stroke a value between 4 and 5. Hit the rectangle tool again, and from the menu down here, we're gonna change the size to 150 for both. Let's link them again. After that, we're gonna create new camera layer. Hit OK. Then make sure to check the 3D box in the shape layer here and change the render mode to Cinema 4D. After that, I'm gonna duplicate that shape layer. Let's change the view mode to custom view. I'm gonna open the position for the second shape layer and move it back by 150. I'm gonna duplicate it again. Then this time I'm gonna move it back by half the distance, so it's 75. Cool. Now just select it and rotate it by 90 degrees, then move it up. Or you can just type -75. Now I'm gonna duplicate it again, then I'm gonna move it down, so just type +150. Let's select the shape layer again, duplicate it, and move it half distance 75, rotate it this way, and move it to the right, so just type -75. Duplicate it again and move it to the left by typing +150. Cool. Now I'm gonna change the faces color of the cube, and I'm gonna change the background color to make it clear for us. We're gonna create a new null object. Make it 3D. After that, I'm gonna select all the 6 shapes and link them to that null object. Select all the layers except the camera, duplicate it, and move it up. Select that new null object, and I'm gonna move it to the left, so just type +150. Do the same process again. Select all the shapes layer under null, duplicate, move it up, then I'm gonna move it to the right by typing +150. Just type here in X value +150. Cool. Now we have a line. We still need 2 others. Select all the layers, press Ctrl D to duplicate, move them up, then select the new 3 null objects. Hit P on the keyboard to open the position. We're gonna move them back, so just type +150. Then repeat the same process again. Select all the shape layer, press P, move them forward by typing -150. Now this is the first stage. We still need 2 other stages. Select all the layers, duplicate them, move them up. Then I'm gonna select or the first 9 null objects. Just count with me. After that, hit P on keyboard to open the position. Then we need to move them up, so just type -150. To make it clear for us, we're gonna change the layers color to something like yellow. Again, we're gonna do the same process for the third stage. Select all the layers. For the second stage, duplicate them, move them up, and select the first 9 null objects and open the position of the map by 150. Then again, change the color to something different like green. Cool. In order to animate the cube, we need to animate each stage separately. We're gonna hide the second and third stage of the cube and we're gonna create new null object. Make sure it's 3D, then we're gonna switch the view to top and select the square which is in the middle and link the null object to the middle of it. Make sure it's centered. Then select all the null objects which belong to the first stage and link them to the first null object. We're gonna bring all the layers back again, then we're gonna do the same process for the second stage. As you see here, we can animate the first stage easily. We can duplicate the null object, hit P on the keyboard to update the position and move it up by 150. Then select all the null objects which belong to the second stage of the cube and link them to that second null object. We're gonna do the same process for the third stage. Duplicate it, 150, link the null objects to the third stage null object. Now let's click the stopwatch in Y position. As you see now, we can rotate each stage alone. After that, we're gonna link the first and the third stage to the second one. And we're gonna make a quick animation. After we finish animating our cube, we need to ease the keyframes. So select the position keyframes of the second stage and go to graph editor and copy this graph. Then hide the position keyframes, select the rotation keyframes and hit overshoot and using the Bouncr plugin. It's free plugin, you can download it from the link below. Make sure to select it here and overshoot. Then I'm just gonna align those keyframes like this. You can play with it as you want. For the final touches, we're gonna select all the layers using Ctrl A, then pre-comb them, and we're gonna add a solid layer, and we're gonna add to it 4 color gradient. I'm just gonna create a smooth animate background like this. Just follow me up. Gonna bring it down, then I'm gonna select the cube and add the rim light effect. It's paid, so if you don't have it, don't worry, I have an alternative. Right click in the cube, go to lifestyle and choose bevel and emboss. Just follow my settings here. Next, I'm gonna add deep glow to it to make it looks even better. Then to make that light effect, select the pen tool, then I'm gonna draw a shape around the face which I want the light to come from. I'm gonna change the color to blue, then let's add an effect called light burst. Then move this point here. Make sure to change those properties here. Cool. Then you can add Gaussian blur to make the edges more soft. Decrease the opacity a bit and animate it so it fade in and fade out. I'm gonna duplicate that light effect and move it to the right. Then I'm gonna change the color to orange to match that face. Cool. After this, I'm just gonna add some text. As a final touch, I'm just gonna add some adjustment layers. So in the first one, let's add a vignette effect. Secondly, we're gonna add some flicker effect. So add the brightness and contrast, click the stopwatch in the brightness and write this expression here. And at the end, I'm just gonna add noise effect. Lastly, as an extra step, I'm gonna add an image to the cube. Bring the image, make it 3D, adjust it so it fits, and remember to link it with that layer. Let's add a fade in effect. I will do the same steps here. I'm gonna add my image, make it 3D, adjust it, and link it with that layer in the back. Cool. Like this, we have done our tutorial, and this is our scene. Well, it's done. This is our tutorial for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this, and peace out.